goodness gracious. Yay! Yay! Dum-dee-dum. Hey, have you seen Minnie? Anybody? Oh, I guess. Minnie! Minnie! Yes? There you are! Minnie! Mickey! Let's just sit down and relax. Yeah, I'll be on this side. No, I want to take Mario for a ride. Huh? You wonder what's wrong with him. Let's go and check. Okay. And then there was this magical hand on the bottom that got Mario back. And then it got Mario back. Everybody was happy because Yoshi got to ride Mario and Koopa Troopa got to fight Mario. And Minnie and Mickey got to play with Mario, and Bowser and Bowser Jr. could have a final rematch. Oh,